In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy GoDaddy email. This straightforward process can be completed in just a few minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to setting up your very own email through GoDaddy. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the GoDaddy website. Simply open your web browser of choice and type in the GoDaddy URL. If you already have an account with them, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is a simple process that only requires a few basic details. Once logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the Products menu. This is typically found at the top of the homepage. Once you click on the Products menu, look for the option labeled Email and click on it. Now that you're in the email section, you'll see a couple of options. You can choose between Business Email, which is ideal if you're looking for a more basic solution, or Microsoft 365, which provides a full suite of productivity tools alongside your email. Take a moment to consider what best suits your needs. If you're running a business and looking for an integrated solution, Microsoft 365 could be the way to go. Meanwhile, the business email option is perfect for those seeking straightforward email functionality. Once you've made your decision, you'll see a list of plans available for the product type you chose. Each plan comes with unique features and pricing, so check carefully to understand what each one offers. Do you need extra storage? Is there a particular feature that stands out to you? These are the kinds of details to keep in mind as you make your selection. After you've narrowed it down to the plan that fits your needs, click the Add to Cart button. This will place your selected email plan into your shopping cart, but don't rush off just yet. It's important to take a quick moment now to review the details once more. Make sure that everything in your cart is as expected, with no hidden costs or unexpected charges. Review your plan and the pricing again, and if everything looks good, you can proceed by clicking on Continue to Cart. When it's time to check out, you have a couple of payment options to complete your purchase. You can use PayPal, which is a great option if you prefer using your PayPal balance, or a credit or debit card if that's more convenient for you. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased a GoDaddy email plan. The next steps will usually involve setting up your new email account and linking it to your domain if necessary. But for now, take a moment to enjoy the satisfaction of having set up your email service. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has made the process clear and easy to follow.